So this is kind of a simple color palette, nothing too fancy. All right, let's start with our jute in the background. This is an 8-inch tail, so I'm gonna take and cut it at 8 inches and just cut it at an angle. I love this ribbon. You know, I'm a sucker for any open weave, so every time they come out with some type of new pattern, we're gonna have it because I can't resist it. I'm gonna go 6.5 here. Where else have y'all lived? You know, I am just born in Houston, and I've lived in Sugarland my entire life, and I've moved once when I have lived in this house now 24 years, so yeah, I've made one move. I didn't even have an apartment. It's hard to see on here, but the jute is in, guys. That's the first layer, okay? Now we're going to come in, and it's a funky bow, so I've got tails up and tails down. Let's come in with the solid orange next. This is so pretty. Now, if you guys get the kits, it's in there. It's included in the kit. And you have it allocated for you. 6 inches now, a little bit smaller. And I'm going to do 2. Get a little pop of this fun orange. So 2, that means 1 on either side. All right, now I'm going to put some more jute in. Now I'm going to go the opposite way with this tail up here. So we're going to get a nice little layering. So now I did a tail up, a tail down, 2 loops here. And these are a little shorter, and you can see I'm kind of layering up. And now we're going to bring the stripe in. Now my stripe's coming in, so I'm going to work opposite this one and come on the right. Okay? I cannot believe. Has anybody else got high school reunions this year? Or planning to go? I'm going 5 inches now, and I'm just going to go 2 also. Okay, now I'm going to finish off with a little bit of that jute, just a touch of it in the middle, and we'll finish it off the bow. It might be kind of hard to see on this with the green background, but it's in there, okay? So I'm going to take this off the bow maker, and now we're going to fluff it. It's got a lot of layers, so we're going to take our time. It's a very full bow. So we don't want them sliding, so I just gently push that to the back, and I hold pressure. I'll just sit here in my happy little house and my little storage units. I cannot imagine all of that. You guys, I'm going to put something in the center. I'm going to do the solid orange. Now I folded that so I get a nice little strip, kind of skinny, to go here in the middle. And I've already put in my cable tie in the back. See how pretty this turned out? Really, really pretty. Okay. But you can see all the dimension that creates in there, and it's going to pick up all those browns and pretty colors for the fall.